Good morning, students. Today we are going to see ligand field theory (LFT), which is the modern approach of MOT. This theory was developed by Van Vleck in between 1930 to 1940. The CFT treats the interaction between metal ion and ligand as a purely electrostatic problem in which the ligand atoms are represented as a point charges at the opposite extreme. So the metal ligand interaction can be described in terms of molecular orbitals formed by the overlap of ligand and metal orbitals. These two approaches use different physical interpretation of the problem, but both use the symmetry properties of the complex. The basic difficulty with the CFT treatment is that it takes no account of covalent nature of metal ligand bonds, and therefore whatever effects and the phenomena arise directly from covalence are entirely inexplicable, unexplained in simple CFT. On the other hand, CFT provides a very simple and easy way to treat numerically many aspects of the electronic structure of the complex. Molecular orbital theory, in contrast, does not provide numerical result in such a easy way. Therefore, a kind of modified CFT has been derived in which certain parameters are empirically adjusted to allow for the effect of covalence without introducing covalence into the CFT formalism. This modified CFT is often called ligand field theory (LFT). While considering the orbital overlap between metal and ligand orbitals, all the parameters of interelectronic interaction, that is spin orbit coupling constant lambda and the interelectronic repulsion given by the Slater integral Fn or the Rakha parameter B and C, are incorporated into CFT. From the magnetic and spectral properties of the metal complexes, it is found that the value for this parameter, which can be calculated easily, are about 70 to 80% of corresponding values for the free ion. Thus, in LFT, one process is the same manner as in CFT, so that conceptual and computational simplicity of CFT is retained, while that the same time allowances is made for a smaller degree of the orbital overlap, which may at the time leads to the delocalization of orbitals. In the LFT, many of the conclusions and predictions of the CFT are not affected substantially. The arbitrary concentration on the metal orbital is avoided, and it is possible to deal more satisfactorily with complexes containing LIC and such are Cn minus, CO and organic group in which there is a strong evidence of pi bonding between metal and the ligands. Because of its wider applicability, ligand field theory is now considered to be in principle the most general, useful and most nearly valid theory of transition metal complexes. Next concept we are going to see the charge transfer spectra, CTS. After considering the LFT concept, where there is the combination of metal orbitals, ligand orbitals, and we are followed that concept, the charge transfer spectra is the concept here studied by considering the d orbitals of the metal orbitals and the ligand orbitals. It will be totally depends on the electron transition from metal to ligand and ligand to metal. So we are going to see this concept. If the absorption of light takes place so as to cause the electronic transition within an atom or molecule, it is essential that the absorption results in a displacement of charge density. The displacement of charge density may take place within an atom, as in transition metal ion, which we called it D to D, DD transition, or the displacement of the charge density may take place from one atom to another. We call it charge transfer transition. The CFT cannot explain the charge transfer transition because it do not take covalent bonding into account. Molecular orbital treatment is necessary to explain the charge transfer transition. Thus, when the absorption of radiation causes an electronic transition between two molecular orbital is such that one molecular orbital is more concentrated on one atom while other molecular orbital is more concentrated on the different atom, we call it a charge transfer transition, and the graph of absorption versus wavelength of light as a charge transfer band or spectrum. For transition metal complexes, the charge transfer band often occurs in a ultraviolet region. They are generally far more intensive than the DD transition. The charge transfer band can be classified into following types. Two types. First, ligand metal transition, which is called as reduction, and second, metal ligand transition, which is called as oxidation. We will be see first ligand metal transition, reduction. In this transition, transfer of electron takes place from ligand to the metal, and hence such a transitions are called ligand to metal charge transfer transitions, LMCT, ligand to metal charge transfer transition. These are a common type of transition in which an electron is transferred to a metal or metal, and the charge transfer separation within the complex by the reduced. In this transition, electrons from the bonding molecular orbitals are excited to empty T2Z or EG star molecular orbitals. In complex Cr NH363 plus complex ion and internship option band appears around 5000 cm inverse. Such charge transfer band are shown by the oxide, chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. The dark color of CuCl4 2 minus, the yellow color FeCl6 3 minus is due to charge transfer transition. In the series of the complex formula CONH35X 2 plus, where X is halogen, strong absorption in ultraviolet region takes place. A progressively higher frequencies for X frequencies for X is the Cl Br I F minus. The tetraoxoanion of the metal with a high oxidation number gives the most familiar example of the LMCT bands. Second type, metal to ligand transition, which is also considered oxidation. In this transition, an electron is transferred from metal orbital to a ligand orbital. Hence, such transitions are called metal to ligand charge transfer transition, MLCT. In such transitions, electron from bonding sigma orbital is excited to the empty pi star orbitals localized predominantly on ligands. The transition metal complexes having COCN minus NO minus as a ligand, they shows such type of the transition. Metal to ligand charge transfer also occurs in red complexes of iron second with dipyridine or orthophenolphthalein. Such transitions are favored if the metal ion is in low oxidation state and the ligand has a low lying antibonding orbitals.